dashboard kept changing, names of cities sliding past, while rain drew crooked little rivers down the station glass. People carried folded futures packed inside their weathered bags, moving toward another chapter without looking back. I sat beneath the platform clock where we used to meet at night, listening to announcements fade like echoes out of time. Every train is someone's ending, every train is someone's start. Funny how the same direction can break or heal a heart. Rain on the station glass, turning memories into shadows, watching all the faces pass like scenes from another life. Rain on the station glass, some things leave but never vanish. Every drop keeps bringing back a name I don't say anymore. The coffee stand was closing early, the newspaper rack stood bare. The janitor swept yesterday away without a trace of care. Your favorite bench was still there waiting, paint peeling from the wood, like it understood the years better than I ever could. And suddenly I realized I wasn't waiting anymore, just visiting an old feeling before walking through the door. Every train is someone's ending, every train is someone's start. Funny how the same direction can break or heal a heart. Rain on the station glass, turning memories into shadow, watching all the faces pass like scenes from another life. Rain on the station glass, some things leave but never vanish. Every drop keeps bringing back a name I don't say anymore. For years I thought healing meant forgetting. Now I think it means remembering without hurting. Rain on the station glass, now the picture finally clears. The people we once loved become part of the year. Rain on the station glass, as another train rolls through, I stand up when it leaves and leave with it too. Yeah. Doors closing,